I'm Ben Winslow at the Matheson Courthouse. The judge summoned attorneys in the redistricting lawsuit back to court to discuss timelines and deadlines for new congressional maps.
I just wanted to make one statement.
In the first hearing since her ruling throwing out Utah's congressional maps, Judge Diana Gibson wanted to make one thing clear.
This court is not drawing a map. It is the legislature's responsibility to make sure that there's a lawful congressional plan in place for the 2026 election. This court recognizes the separation of powers.
Lawyers outlined proposed timelines to comply with her ruling demanding new maps in 30 days, but it's tricky. The legislature needs to meet and draw new maps, passing them in a special session. Plaintiffs can also submit their own, so can others. There's a public comment period. Everyone can file objections and go back to court, all by November 1st, which is when the lieutenant governor says she needs them for elections.
I think we can either have new maps for the 2026 election, or we can have maps that fully comply with all of Proposition 4, but I don't know that we can have both.
Voters approved Proposition 4, creating an independent commission to draw boundaries. The legislature rejected those maps and adopted their own. That sparked the League of Women Voters and Mormon Women for Ethical Government's lawsuit.
There have been 7 years now where their government reform has been unconstitutionally withheld.
The judge asked the lieutenant governor's office if the November deadline is firm.
Any way to give us a little bit more time beyond the November 1 date.
Yeah, I'll inquire.
The legislature still maintains it has the sole constitutional power to set boundaries. Senator Scott Sandel chaired the redistricting committee.
I do believe that under protest, we probably will submit a map.
Gotcha. Will it be different, or will it be the same map?
To be determined, to be honestly determined.
I think they have to meet what Proposition 4 is. It is not only important, it's the law of the land.
So we certainly expect the legislature is going to appeal to the Utah Supreme Court. But in their request to the judge to halt her own deadlines, they raised a federal question. Now that's important because this could also become a vehicle to go to the U.S. Supreme Court. At the Matheson Courthouse, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.